Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create this kind of wave text animation in Flutter. So first of all, for that we need to install a package. This is the name of the package, animated text kit, and I'm using the latest version of it. I will put the code on GitHub and will share the link with you people, and also put the PubSpec link in the description box. You can check that. So now without any delay, let's get started. So for this, after installing the package, I have used here scaffold. The background color is blue, then center, then default text style I have used here 25, and this is the animated text kit which is coming from the package that I have installed, and inside this these are the two text, and animated text is array, and inside this we can add as much line as according to our requirements. For now I have added 2, that is why it is showing here hello everyone, and this is the second text. So whatever the text is saying, please do that. That would be a great support for me. And after this there is repeat forever is true, and is repeating animation is true, that is why this is repeating again and again. And suppose if we will uncomment this and I will give total repeat count 1, then it will animate only one time. By default the total repeat count is given 3, and now I am given here 1, and let me run this. There are also on tap and on finished functionality, I will also tell you. So this is animating, and I have given here 1 value. So let's see what will happen after 1. Now here it has stopped animating, so because I have given here 1. So there is also on tap functionality available. So when I will tap on this particular text, and also there is on finished, when the animation will be finished it will come inside this method. Let me run this once again. Now it is run. When I will tap on this, it is printing on tap functionality, it is coming inside this functionality. Okay, when it will be finished it will come inside this and print on finished functionality, on finished. There is one more thing. If you will not give any, if you will make this property available repeat forever, then it will give error because it won't finish, it will repeat again and again. Let me show you. It will give error because it will not be finished, it will repeat again and again, that is why. So for this you will have to comment this value, or do not use this value, repeat value, and give a proper total repeat count, so that when it will be finished it will come inside this. Let me run this. It is coming inside this method, and there is also another type of text available, like typewriter animation. It will look like that someone is typing like this. So you can apply this kind of functionality in your code, and yes, you can use my code also, and as per your requirement. So that's it for now. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.